One of the brilliant parts of CGA is being able to see the students' successes and relate those to new students as guidance for them. So for me personally, having taught both in our UK Greenwich school and the Iraqi school, I've been able to see the progress that biology students have made both within the classroom, attaining those top A-star grades to support them for university, but also in the extras that they could take on, achieving gold and silver awards in their biology Olympiad, and also taking part in competitions and researching their own projects to be published works before they go to university.
I guess I'm always proud when I see the results. We've just had our first Cambridge English Literature results, and we had success across the board, but they've surpassed their expectations, which is fantastic.